Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Western Union account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you get a Western Union money transfer verification PDF? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to get a PDF version of a Western Union transfer verification? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your overseas contractors request that you pay them through Western Union, but sometimes they say that they didn't receive it, so they need proof to show Western Union. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Western Union dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Western Union account, and this is the home screen. Now, here on the home screen, if you want to get a PDF transfer receipt or confirmation, here on the top right, you're going to click on this hamburger menu, these three horizontal lines. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on history. Once you click there, you're going to see your most recent transactions. Pull through until you find the transaction that you need a PDF confirmation for. So for example, this one right here, and you're going to click on show details. Okay, once you click on show details, it's going to give you more information about that particular transaction. And to get a PDF confirmation receipt, click right here, download PDF. Okay, once you do that, it's going to open up the PDF receipt showing your confirmation that these funds were picked up or delivered. So now you can go ahead and email this out or keep it in a file. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to get your Western Union transfer confirmation PDF, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.